Do you know there was a day when NASA lost a planet, not in space, but on paper? That planet's name, Pluto. Once the smallest and most mysterious planet in our solar system, now officially not a planet at all. But the story of Pluto's downfall isn't just about astronomy. It's about discovery, ego, and the limits of human definition. In 1930, a young astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh was scanning the night skies from a small observatory in Arizona. He compared hundreds of photos. One tiny dot of light kept moving differently from the rest. That dot was Pluto, our ninth planet. Actually, that moment, humanity felt it had expanded the borders of the solar system. Newspapers around the world celebrated a new world has been found. The mystery, but from the very beginning, something was strange about Pluto. It was too small, even smaller than Earth's moon. Its orbit was tilted and stretched, unlike any other planets. Scientists couldn't explain how such a world could exist at the edge of the solar system. Still, people loved it. Pluto became the underdog of space, the tiny world that made the universe feel bigger. Fast forward to 2006. Astronomers gathered in Prague for a meeting of the International Astronomical Union, the IAU. The question on the table, what exactly is a planet? Because telescopes had gotten better. And out beyond Pluto, astronomers had found other icy worlds, some the same size or even larger. If Pluto was a planet, so were dozens of others. This solution redefine what a planet really means. To stay in the club, a planet had to orbit the sun, be round, and most controversially clear its neighborhood. That means it must dominate its orbit, sweeping away debris and other bodies nearby. Pluto failed the third rule, and in one vote, it was demoted. Headlines read, "Pluto is no longer a planet." The world was stunned. Textbooks changed overnight. Children who grew up memorizing "My very educated mother just served us 9 pizzas" had to stop it now. Scientists were attacked with hate mail. People protested. Even the discoverer's ashes, orbiting inside NASA's New Horizons spacecraft, carried a message to Pluto, a tribute to what once was. In 2015, New Horizons reached Pluto, and what it found stunned everyone. A heart-shaped glacier the size of Texas. Mountains made of ice. Blue skies. Possibly an underground ocean. It wasn't just a rock. It was a living world, frozen in chimney. Suddenly, the debate rigged. Had we made a mistake? Did Pluto lose its title just because of how we defined it? What we learned. Pluto taught us something bigger than astronomy. That the universe doesn't care about our labels. It just is. Today, astronomers believe Pluto might be part of a new class of worlds, the dwarf planets, gateways to understanding the distant, icy frontier called the Kuiper Belt. The day NASA lost a planet wasn't a loss at all. It was the day we realized the solar system is far more complex than we ever imagined. And maybe, just maybe, Pluto never stopped being a planet in our hearts.